Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. In our previous lesson, we have learned about the slope and how it tells us how steep a line is. But now, let's take the next step. What if we want to describe a line completely using an equation so that we don't just draw it, we can calculate it. Today, we will learn how to write the equation of a line. The most common form of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to slope and c is equal to y-intercept. This equation tells us everything about the line. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to c. Let's see one example. Consider y is equal to 2x plus 1. Here slope is 2, y-intercept is 1. So when we draw the line, start at the intercept, then follow the slope. Now suppose we know a point and the slope. So how we will write the equation of the line? So we will write y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. This is also the equation of the line, which is called as point slope form. This form helps when we know one point. Let's see one example. Find the slope of a line. Here, slope is equal to 2 and the point is 1, 3. So the solution is y minus 3 is equal to 2 times x minus 1. Now suppose we know 2 points. Then how we will write the equation of the line? First we need to find the slope. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now we got the slope. Then you can write the equation of the line. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Let's see one example. We have 2 points, 1, 2 and 3, 6. Now we need to find the equation of this line. We need to find the slope. So slope is equal to 6 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then we can write the equation of the line. Y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 1. An equation of a line represents motion, growth and relationships. A line is a relationship between x and y. Today we have learned equation of a line. Y is equal to mx plus c form and point slope form and 2-point method, and also how to build equation of a line. This is a key concept in mathematics. Kindly do these assignment problems by your own. When you understand equations of a line, you can describe patterns and relationships mathematically. And this ability is essential for algebra, geometry and calculus. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next lesson.